Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add content to your avatar expertise using document upload. In the previous video I showed you how to add content to your avatar expertise using text upload. Now I'm going to show you how to do the same thing but using document upload. So the process is pretty much the same thing. You need to navigate to your avatar administration dashboard, and you need to have admin access to be able to do that. And always make sure you select an avatar that you own. This is an avatar that I own. Max Body is an avatar that I own, and I am an administrator on MaxGood.work. So when you select the avatar, you navigate to the avatar administration dashboard and you navigate to the expertise tab. In the expertise tab, you add a title. So earlier on, I showed you how to add a title, and we added this title about MaxGood.work, right? So within this title, I have uploaded one content, and that content is recorded as a nugget here, right? So any content chunk that you add under a title is recorded as a nugget, right? So now we're going to click manage content so that I can add more content and we can have more content nuggets within this title. So if we select manage content, then click on upload content, Now, we've uploaded content using text. Now I want to upload content using file upload, right? So these are the files that are supported currently on MaxGood: PDF and Word doc and TXT file. So we're going to do this with a PDF file, right? So it's pretty much simple. You choose a file, select choose file, and then you'll be able to see different content you can upload directly from your local computer. So you can either go to document or download depending on where you saved the content you wish to upload. So I'm going to save a content right now and I'm going to upload it on MaxGood. Please bear in mind that before you upload your content, you need to include basic markdown formats, and you also need to add metadata. In the previous video, I showed you how to add metadata to your content using a prompt that we've prepared for you, right? And using any of the avatar you can freely access on MaxGood. You can either use your avatar as a coach or use some of the free avatars that is available for you on MaxGood. For example, the MaxGood user support and the MaxGood success coach is available to all coaches on the MaxGood platform. So you can use that avatar to generate the metadata you can see currently on my screen. And that metadata must always be added to the bottom of your content. So I've prepared this content earlier on when I was creating the video for you to upload content via text. Now, this same content, I would save it. I've already formatted it, so there's no need for me to do extra work in terms of formatting. But the basic formatting you need to include adding 2 asterisks if you want to bold a section, adding a title, right? So for this content, I'm going to eliminate the description part and only add the logo philosophy, right, as a separate content chunk on its own. So I'm going to just add a title to this and name it MaxGood Logo Philosophy. Yeah, so that's it. So yeah, I've done the formatting earlier on, and I'm also going to include a link to our blog posts that also explains how to use basic markdown formatting to make your content appear more readable and cleaner on MaxGood.work. So we're going to work with these documents that we currently have, and I'm going to name it MaxGood Logo Philosophy. Okay, so I'm going to download this. Sample text. I'm going to name this document as sample text, and I'm going to download this as a PDF document. You can either download as a Microsoft Word doc or a PDF doc, but for the sake of this video, I'd like to upload a PDF document. So I'm going to select PDF, comment tab, and then export. Now, please remember to always prepare your content before you upload. The preparation you need to do includes formatting the content and also adding metadata. So I've done all this preparation earlier and I'm just downloading the documents for upload. So I'll come back to my MaxGood tab and then choose file and then look for the sample text in PDF, select it and open. Now I have added I've added that file. Please remember that I named this sample text. So the content title is going to appear as sample text. So I'm going to name it appropriately so that it appears as I want it to appear. Also remember that there's a word count limit. The words within each content you upload must not exceed 1,500. Otherwise, the system will break it down into smaller chunks. So I'm going to change this to MaxGood philosophy. Okay, then download that again as a PDF document, current tab, yes. So I'm going to navigate back to the tab and I'm going to add this. So I have replaced the other content with this PDF. I've replaced the other PDF with this PDF that has the appropriate naming for the content. So I'm going to upload content. Now your content has been successfully uploaded to your avatar expertise. It was converted to one chunks. Remember, if the content within that PDF file was more than 1,500 words, the system will automatically convert it into smaller chunks. But because the word count is below 1,500, it's what the content was retained as one chunk. So it's advisable that you organize your content into the chunks you'd like them to be, instead of uploading 3 pages or 4 pages of a PDF or Word document at once and leaving it to the system to convert it to chunks. The system can do that, but we strongly advise that you upload them in smaller bits so that you can organize your content as you desire. So I'm going to now close this tab, and within this content list, you'd see the content I recently uploaded, which is MaxGood.work philosophy. Please make sure you name your file, the title of the content you want to add, right? When I showed you how to upload a content using text upload, I added a content title. The same thing must happen when you're uploading using file upload, whether it's a PDF or a Microsoft Word document. Make sure you name that document the title you wish it should carry under the content list on MaxGood, right? So the next thing you do right now is to preview it to see if the formatting we did on that content actually worked. So you can see it is well formatted, right? The title, I added the logo, our logo philosophy. This section was actually boldened, right? And then the list is showing well. The list, the bold section here is also showing well. The hyperlink text, which is Elizabeth. If you click on Elizabeth here, I hyperlinked this text earlier while we were preparing the content for text upload. If you select Elizabeth, it will take you directly to the link. So if you want to hyperlink a content within your content chunk, please watch the video on how to add content to your avatar expertise using text upload. It shows you how to format your content before you upload them, how to add basic markdown formatting like hyperlinking, adding lists, and also bolding some sections or some parts of the content. So that's pretty much how to upload content to your avatar expertise using the file upload function. You can either upload file or upload text. And this video is about uploading file. The previous video, which is the part 1 on uploading content to your expertise, was about uploading text, right? We added a text title and the contents of the text. Here, we just added a prepared document, keeping in mind that the word count is 1,500. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.